Hi, this is Rachel Clara again, and some of you wanted my viewpoint or take on the sons and daughters of God Almighty. And I mean from God Almighty's loins, not being adopted as their children or offspring or another phraseology right now, okay? We're talking about literally beings from the loins of God Almighty. I'm going to read from Genesis 6, 1 through 4. When men and women began to increase in number on the earth, and daughters were born to them, the sons of God, and I believe also the daughters of God, saw that the daughters of men were beautiful. So the sons of God saw that the daughters of men were beautiful, and the daughters of God saw that men were beautiful from mankind.